don't forget, while you're here in San Francisco, this ugly chap's still about.
Close my eyes, 들려오는 바람의 노래에 귀 기울여봐. It's alright, 두려워 말고 널 내게 맡겨봐. And come with me tonight. 모두가 잠든 이 밤에 비밀스레 열린 dreamy wonderland. 한 걸음 가까이 떨리는 맘을 숨길 수가 없어. 난 그곳으로 가. 하늘 위 깊은 곳으로 낯을 올려. 난 구름의 바람을 타고 멀리 멀리 기억하던 그곳으로 나를 데려가. 자유로운 뱃속은 Just imagine, just imagine, just imagine. 한여름밤의 꿈처럼 달콤한 dreamy wonderland. 내 입가에 전해진 숨결 마법처럼 사라진 yesterday. 날 스치던 포근한 물결 다시 한번 눈 감으면 see it, feel it. 모두가 잠든 이 밤에 비밀스레 열린 dreamy wonderland. 한 걸음 가까이 떨리는 맘을 숨길 수가 없어. 난 그곳으로 가. 하늘 위 깊은 곳으로 낯을 올려.
We are now in Golden Gate Park and the Conservatory of Flowers. When we were here last, you used to be able to drive and park right out here, but yeah, it's all now pedestrianised. Check out these guys. I wonder what he's making there. Oh, what a beautiful place. Really nice flowers. Everyone's just chilled out on the grass, or nice little seat you can sit on there. Gorgeous flowers. Golden Gate Park, much bigger than New York Central Park. And the Conservatory of Flowers, looks like it's free today to go in, so might check it out. And we are inside the Conservatory of Flowers, somewhere we've never been before. Wow, this is really awesome. If you're into flowers, just look at the beautiful flowers here. Wow, this place is gorgeous. Yeah, if you like your flowers, then come on in. In the West Gallery, just look at the fish. So beautiful. All the different plants for purchase there. And these are just absolutely stunning. And look at the water lettuce there. I'm so glad we can bring somewhere new to you guys and something new to us. We've never ever been in here before. So the Conservatory of Flowers is home to thousands of plant species from all different tropics from around the world. Most palms live where it's warm. Beautiful. Cooler than this one. You can hear all the bird life. Beautiful waterfalls. Just look at the different plants. Stunning. And look at this one. This pond is fabulous. Yeah, the size of them lilies are awesome, aren't they? So glad we managed to come here. So this is free every Tuesday, first Tuesday of the month. Incredible place. So that was well worth doing. It's normally $14 to $17. May never have ever gone in there. So just here at the right time. And that conservatory was first completed in 1879. And it was a gift to the city of San Francisco by the public-spirited citizens. I hope you're enjoying today's video. If you're into flowers, then yep, this is the video for you. And I hope you're watching all these videos, and hopefully you can see how beautiful San Francisco is, and maybe you will want to come here yourself one day. I really like the clock. How nice is that, the palm tree? All those beautiful flowers around. And just to show you where we are, we're not far from the Sutro Tower, and just to the left of that is going to be Twin Peaks. It's so beautifully well kept. And Twin Peaks is still closed. If anyone in the comments can let me know why, but this was closed last year when we were here. There are people up there who've obviously climbed up, but I don't know why it is closed. I need to check it out probably. We can still get you this incredible view up here of the city of San Francisco. You can see the sales force rising above all the others. And we've got the boat in the middle. To the right is heading down towards SFO. Mountain in the distance is Mount Diablo. And right over there, Golden Gate Bridge. Mount Tamalpais. Right, next up, Coit Tower. Many fond memories coming up here, standing on this wall. Well, these trees never used to be that tall. You used to be able to see over and view the city really good. So during the gold rush days, a lookout stationed in a structure on the spot, and it was observed and signalled the arrival of incoming vessels. And we've got a good shot of Lombard Street there. In the middle there is Filbert Street, steepest street in San Francisco. We're now heading to the back of Coit Tower, and there are some beautiful gardens around here. And here we go, downtown San Francisco, Oakland Bay Bridge. Great view there of the Transamerica building and the Embarcadero in the middle of the screen. Looking here always gives me memories of the Dirty Harry film. There was a scene actually filmed where Harry was talking to the lady police officer. I don't know what her name was now. I can't remember. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, they were standing right there on the grass. A great view of the Oakland Bay Bridge, Treasure Island, New Bay Bridge, and down here is where we've flown the drones on many occasions. Right, Coit Tower, 210-foot monument built in 1933 with the monies from Lily Hitchcock, Coit, to beautify the city. She painted in the interior, and this plaque was placed there in 1983. And you're going to find the paintings in here are just stunning, absolutely beautiful place. Wow, and just look at the artwork in here. Really, really nice. This one in front of us is called the library. Look at that one. US mail. Really, really nice. So, stairs to the observation deck, 234 steps, 13 flights. And it's stairs only. And it's $10 each. 234 steps. So in 1876, a group of San Francisco citizens purchased 4 lots of the crest of Telegraph Hill and gave the land to the city. Coit Memorial Tower. So, as we said, Lily Hitchcock died in 1929, and she added this for beautifying the city. The murals were completed following year.